Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will first confirm prerequisites and start the update immediately. Open Edge now and click the three-dot menu. This initiates the built-in update check so you avoid extra downloads. Make sure Windows 10 has recent cumulative updates installed and you have at least a few hundred MB free. This prevents install failures. Once done, sign into your Microsoft profile if prompted so saved settings sync. This step kicks off the safe, automatic path and lets Edge compare local files with the latest package. You now trigger and monitor the download and install. Go to Help and Feedback, then About Microsoft Edge. Edge immediately checks Microsoft servers and downloads any newer build. Let the download run. Large updates can take several minutes depending on connection speed, so be patient. When the installer finishes, Edge shows an Apply or Restart button. Click that to finalize changes and replace old binaries. Make sure synced tabs and extensions are enabled so your environment restores after the restart. You finish by validating and resolving issues if needed. Open About again to confirm the version matches the latest release. This proves the update applied correctly. If Edge won't update, run Windows Update to ensure system components are current, restart your PC, and try the About process again. This fixes many dependency problems. If the automatic path still fails, download the offline Edge installer and run it as administrator to replace files. This manual approach solves corrupted update loops and incomplete installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.